welcome back. Happy Tuesday afternoon. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So I am excited. As you can see from the title down below, today we have another unboxing of the Snack With Me box, but we also have a giveaway. Yay! I love doing giveaways. You guys know this. So when Snack With Me box reached out to me and asked me if I would do a giveaway this month in collaboration with them in the unboxing, because they do send this to me for review. So thank you, Snack With Me box, for that. I do appreciate it. But they did ask me if I would do a giveaway with the review, and I was like, of course, absolutely, because I would love to have one of you guys give this box a try. So before we get into the unboxing and the details about Snack With Me box, I just wanted to go ahead and briefly go over the rules for the details. The rules for the giveaway. I think I need more coffee. So I do want to say YouTube is not in any way responsible, affiliated, or in conjunction with this giveaway. This is solely done between myself and Snack With Me box will be providing the prize, which will be a box of their snacks. So all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video. You must be over the age of 18 and have a US shipping address. You need to go over to Instagram and follow at Snack With Me box. I will be checking. They will be checking. I will use a random comment picker, so you will need to leave a comment down below in the video or here on this video, and just put whatever you want in your comment, but put some kind of snack or food emoji, whatever you want. So again, subscribed, like this video, follow Snack With Me box over on Instagram. I will put their handle down below. And like I said, US shipping address, over the age of 18, and leave a comment with some sort of food emoji. Simple, simple, simple. And you will have a chance to win a Snack With Me box for yourself. So I will end this giveaway at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time on August 9th. So on August 10th, what I will do is respond to the winner's comment after I use the random comment picker, and I will pin the comment. So I am not going to be responding to comments on this video. I will be hearting to let you know that I saw it and I appreciate it. But other than that, I am not going to respond until we get to the winner's comment and that has been selected and I pin that. So again, this will run through August 9th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's get into what Snack With Me box is, if you don't know. So it is a snack subscription. I say snack, but they send food items as well. It's just a really fun, unique box that gives you such a wonderful variety of snacks. And like I said, even food items, just like, it's just a great box. Some I have heard of before, some I have never heard of before, but they've always been really awesome. We got one in last month's box. I got some sweet potato tortilla chips, and y'all, let me tell you, they were amazing. They were probably like the best. Like, I need to see where they are at. I've never seen them before, and I need more of them in my life. So now this box is $29.99 a month, and I do have a coupon code, yay! And it is Southern Mom, and it will actually save you $15 off your first box. So that's 50% off. So if you want to go ahead and sign up to try them, you can do so and save half off your first month. That's a great deal. So your first box would only be $14.99. I will put a link and that coupon code down below. So definitely head over, check them out, sign up. This box does arrive at the end of every month. So just know that that is why it is going up here on July 30th. So let's get into what we got in our box. So my box looks like it went through a time getting here. Like, the box was a little beat up, so I did actually open it to make sure that everything was okay, and it is. Everything is in good condition, but the box, I seriously am starting to wonder if my mailman hates me. With all the different packages and stuff that I get. I'm just kidding. He's actually very nice. So we're just going to start by pulling stuff out and seeing what we got. So the first thing I see on top, I'm already excited about. And that is this popcorners. These are so good. The kettle corn ones are amazing, but I see cinema style, so I know these are actually going to be butter flavored, and I love butter popcorn. Like, the more butter, the better when it comes to popcorn. So I am super stoked about these, and you see it is a full-size bag. Yay! So there's that. Off to a great start. Oh, I've never seen these. Yum. This is, okay, so this is from Sweet Tarts. Whipped and tangy, delightfully airy. Yum. I'll have to share with Christopher. I'll have to share. Share is the key word. Not give, share. I will definitely want to try a few of these. Oh, these look awesome. And I can kind of feel they're squishy. Yum. And then, oh, okay, so we've got a couple of these. What are you? Oh, we have 3 of these. Okay, so this is going to be interesting. This is from Emerald, and this is dill pickle cashews. I love cashews. I love pickles. I like dill pickle chips. I'm thinking I will probably really, really like these. I've never tried anything like this before, like a nut or anything flavored as a dill pickle other than pickles or like a potato chip, but I love cashews. I love dill pickles. So, yay. All right. And then we have got from Beech Nut Quinoa Crispies in vanilla. There are 5 of them in here, and these are made with only 9 ingredients, and they're natural ingredients. It's gluten-free, non-GMO. That's awesome. I bet these are really good. Okay, I was wondering. This says stage 4 from about 12 months. I was thinking Beech Nut was kind of like a baby toddler brand, but these are like a bar, so I mean anybody could really eat these. I'll give them a try for sure. Vanilla is one of my favorite flavors, and I know that's really vanilla, but you know. And then, oh, I recognize this. This is the one thing about this box that I really do like. I get some brands that I recognize, and then I get some brands that I don't. Like those sweet potato tortilla chips. So this is the Velveeta Protein Blueberry Almond Biscuits, soft baked biscuits. Yum! I've had these before, and these are absolutely amazing. And there are 4 packs in here. And each pack has 2 cookies. So there's 8 cookies total in here, or biscuits, baked biscuits. And they're so good. They're so yummy. All right, and then, oh, my husband's gonna be happy. This is the Slim Jim Premium Smoke Sticks. It's got 10 grams of protein per serving. And it feels like there's 3 of in here. It's made with grass-fed 100% beef raised without hormones. There's 2 of them. Yum. So maybe one for him and one for me. I like beef jerky and stuff like that too sometimes. Gosh, there's a lot in here. Oh, y'all. I'm gonna have to hide these from my husband. This is Girl Scouts Butter Toffee Peanuts. Yum. I mean, do I need to say anything else? Butter toffee peanuts. Done. Sold. Yes. Yes. And then we have, oh, this is from Nesquik, and it is a pack of the powder. It's a 6-pack. Yay, we can make some chocolate milk. Christopher actually really does like Nesquik, so that's awesome. So see, we get some food, some drinks, it's just, I love this. And then we have got from Duke's, and I think we got something last month from them, chorizo and lime smoked shorty sausages. Ooh, that sounds interesting. I bet that is really, really good. I love chorizo. That's gonna be yummy. There's 3 of them in there, so maybe I can have one and the hubby can have 2. And then we have from McGinnis, shortbread. These are shortbread biscuits, Scottish style. That'll be yummy. Never seen that before. I'm running out of room of where to put this stuff. It's loaded. And we still have 2 more items. We have Vans. I've not heard of this brand. Again, this is one thing I know I've said this, but I love this box because it kind of shows you new goodies. Vans gluten-free country ranch crackers. It says baked with oats, brown rice, millet, quinoa, and amaranth. I'm not sure what that is. 16 grams of whole grains per serving. It's gluten-free. Sounds yummy. I love crackers and I love country ranch, so I will definitely give them a try. Yum. And then our final product in here ooh, and this may have been the brand that those sweet potato tortilla chips were. I know I'm gonna keep talking about them because they were that good. Dean Street, this is taco chips. This is made with rice and beans, brown rice and navy beans. And so it's taco. So certified gluten-free, vegan, kosher, cholesterol-free, non-GMO. Yum! I honestly was very nervous when I first went to try the sweet potato tortilla chips. But then, like, after one bite, I'm like, where have you been all my life? And I'm thinking that may be the case here. Taco chips. Ah, yum. So that was the July 2019 Snack With Me box. What did you guys think? Are you excited for the giveaway? Do you want to win a box? So again, just to recap the rules, you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You must like this video, leave a comment down below with some sort of food emoji, and then whatever else you would like to say. You must head over and follow Snack With Me Box on Instagram. Like I said, I will put that information down below. And you must be over the age of 18 with a U.S. shipping address. And again, this will run through August 9th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will pick a winner with a random comment picker on August 10th and respond to that winner's comment. So you will have 48 hours to respond to me. Otherwise, I will pick a new winner. So be on the lookout for that. Again, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I am so excited for all these yummy goodness. I'm going to have some happy boys in my house. And by boys, I mean my husband and my son. I call them my boys. So they are going to be very happy with everything. I'm happy with everything. So again, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget, we do have our 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on, y'all. That link will be down below. I also have the Jeffree Star giveaway going on. There's giveaways coming out my ears. So I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. And as always, like I said, please do give the video a thumbs up. Leave that comment down below. And I will see you guys with the next one. Bye.